Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Ashton Ruby, and welcome back to LEGO Batman. And today we're gonna do stuff. Because that's how games work. You do stuff. Anyway, we got our first suit of the level. And, that's not good. I hope that guy is gonna be okay. The vehicle isn't even under him, like, at all. Yeah, the vehicle is not under him at all. So I don't know why he's acting like he's being run over. Okay, can these guys get out of here, please? Gotta make sure to get them studs. Okay. Very convenient that this door was made of glass. The game is a little slow right now, so hopefully it'll start to breathe. Got some good old palm trees. just some little memories about the beach. Okay, sir, you need a knife. There we go. Everything has been broken. And now we shall build. And now we have a vacuum. That's cool. I think. I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Yay! Gotta get more studs. Cause we are so close. We are so close that you guys literally would not understand how close we are. I mean, well, of course you would understand how close we are because, well, you can see it, but I don't know what I'm saying. Also, why? I mean, I get why everything is made of glass because the suit that Batman has allows us to break glass. So of course everything needs to be made of glass so we can break it. But why is it made of glass? That doesn't make any sense. Why are there glass benches? Like you would not be able to sit on them unless you weighed like 1 pound. And if you weighed 1 pound, then you'd probably be dead. Not to offend anyone who weighs 1 pound, but yeah, if you weighed 1 pound, you'd probably be dead. Okay, now we have a little bit of construction to do. And there we go, superhero. But that does not mean we're going to stop collecting studs. We will collect all the studs, because then we will have a ton. Alright, look at that. Look at all that money right there. Okay, nothing down there. What is that guy doing? Okay. New suit. Okay. Oh no, we can't build the Legos. It's too hot. We are taking damage. Luckily, we have the heat protection suit, baby. Now Batman is red. A red Batman that feels weird. That looks weird. I mean, having Batman be blue isn't really that weird because sometimes he wears like blue. I mean, it's blue and gray, not all blue, but still. He does wear blue sometimes, but seeing him in like red, it's just that's just not seeing Batman in red. It's just not right, man. What? Get on that tightrope. What the heck? Hey, come on, we gotta get more pieces. Okay, come on. Suck up all the pieces. We need the pieces so we can build. Alright, well, we're gonna have to end this episode here. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.